Yung ano? Picture daw with Mami Ante.
Video po. Say hi.
Hello awesome viewers! Today is ang ating SPED week for school year 2023-2024. Every SPED week natin, nag-start talaga tayo sa warm-up exercise na pinamumunuan ni Teacher Keith. Ang first day natin is SPED Olympics, and dito magko-compete ang mga bata, pero ang pinaka-goal nito is paano sila mag-follow ng instruction, magawa man nila o hindi yung task is okay lang, at least nakikipag-participate sila.
Okay. Shoot it properly, ha? One more. Okay. Sige pa, anak. Hard. Go. Ay, sayang. Go. Harder, anak. Na. Go. Yeah! Go, go. Go, go, go. Last three, anak. Malayo naman. Last one. Properly, anak, properly. Last one. Okay. Yay. Okay. Good job. Go, Bray, go. Careful. Go. Careful. Say thank you. Say thank you. From now. Good job. Come here. Sit down. Careful, ha, careful. 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 Up, up, up. Careful. Go, go, go. Careful. Oh, careful, anak. Careful. Go, go, go. Careful, anak. Careful. Go, go, go. Go. Good, oh, careful. Careful. Oh, move. Yan. Yan. Oh. Good job. Yay. Good job. High five. High five. Go, walk only. Go, walk. Walk faster. Walk, walk. Go, walk only, walk. Here, here. Good job. Good job. Go, run, run, run.
Naglaro ng basketball ang level 4, yung higher level. And syempre walang rules dito. Ang rules lang makashoot sila by hook or by crook. Syempre, special kids.
2,000 years later.
Dito na tayo mga awesome viewers. So, talent portion itong araw na to.
Many spectacular things prepared just for you. So before we proceed, mag-attendance check po muna tayo, okay? Alright, syempre mag-start tayo sa pinaka-energetic natin mga grade 1 students! Okay, grade 2! How about the grade 3? Then you siya, grade 4! Grade 5! And grade 6! Ang energetic po ng ating mga elementary students. Sana high school students huwag tayong papatalo, okay? How about, or let me give you the shout of the grade 7 students! How about the grade 8? Siyempre, nandiyan din naman grade 9! At hindi ang papahula ng mga grade 10!
Napaka-talented naman ang ating very own Kuya Kelly. Isang awesome viewer din natin. Awesome friend, awesome schoolmate. Diba? Ang pogi-pogi.
And they will dance hot, hot, hot. Palakpakan naman po dyan!
Let's go, let's go.
Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating B1 at B2. Si Batchoy 1 at Batchoy 2. Si Brida kasi Aya. So, ayan, nag-duet sila ng dance. Kasi si Aya gusto kasama ang kanyang Kuya Brave mag-perform. Kaya dignan ang cute-cute nilang dalawa. Pasensya na kung kailangan kong bilisan kasi baka makapiright tayo. At baka singilin pa ako may-ari ng tugtog. Kaya, pasensyahan nyo na guys. Tignan nyo na lang yung mga moves ng ating mga babies.
One eternity later.
Skip tayo sa day 3 kasi mas yun. So day 4 tayo, pisikalan daw to pero hindi naman violente. Meron lang Zumba performances saka palarong Pinoy.
Zumba presentation per level, and after 10 minutes po, we will start our palarong Pinoy. But before that, to make our moves even better, let's have a roll call muna. As I call on your team, you will create a noise to represent your group. Again, as I call on your team, you will create a noise to represent your group. Let's start po with Team Maroon. Para mag-energy po natin, let's start with Team Maroon. Siyempre, hindi magpapalit ang Team Green. At about my team, Team Blue.
Para tayo pinakamarami.
Siyempre, ang Team Purple. Alright, nakita sa event level na. Let me explain the sequence of
So, every level may kanya-kanya silang Zumba performance. Pero lahat magpa-participate, lahat sasayaw. Pati mga mommies, nag-enjoy kakasayaw dyan. Ito na yung performance ng level 3, yung level ni Brave. So, ayan si Brave, kahit na nakatayot pa sway-sway na okay lang at nagpa-participate. Start na ng palarong Pinoy. Ang na-assign kay na Brave is pabitin. Ayan. Oh, halatang hindi alam ni Brave kung anong gagawin niya. So, siya ang pinakamatangkad as you can see sa level nila. Pero ayun, tingnan nyo. Hindi tumatalon. Inaabot niya lang. Sigaw ako ng sigaw dyan. Oh, nakakuha siya ng isa. Tumigil na siya. Sa higher level naman sa kanila is yung pinyata. Hindi pwedeng palayok kasi baka masugatan yung mga bata. Pero yun yung palarong Pinoy natin sa palayok. After 10,000 years, may pokpok din doon sa pinyata. Kaya yan, nakita nyo, nakiagaw din kami dyan mga mami. Hindi nyo sayang, hindi ko nakuha na si Mami Lorna nag-dive. Ito, hindi ko alam kung palarong Pinoy. Alam ko palarong Korea to, yung red, green light. So, yan ang huling laro nila. Nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata. Siyempre, si Brave dahil hindi niya alam ang concept, tanggal agad.
More moments later.
So, last day na ng ating SPED week. So, family day. Ibig sabihin, maglalaro na ang mga parents.
Here at Beams Quadrangle. Yes, syempre, like Madam Yarn, kaya naman, welcome to our last day celebration of SPED Week 2024. This is Teacher April.
I am Teacher Rod.
We are the Advocates Lead and your host for today.
Sino meron ko? Sorry.
So, ito trip to Jerusalem kung saan kailangan mong kandungin yung anak mo. So, out na kami ni Brave dyan kasi ang bigat ni Brave. Pero at least nag-enjoy kami. So, ang palaban dyan si Mami Alona at si Aya. Ito naman sa higher level is catching yung parang egg relay. Catch the egg. Parang gano'n. Pero ping pong balls ang gamit nila. So, ayan. Yan, partner ng parent and student. Ito na yung games para sa parents. So, mamis muna, volleyball. Pero ang gamit is yoga ball. Nilaro na din namin yan last year. But today, hindi ako sumama kasi meron tayong buwan ng dalaw. So, very uncomfortable sa aking magganyan at ang bigat-bigat nung yoga ball. Nakaliit ko. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang mga daddies natin. Meron pa rin silang basketball. Same din as last year. Pero ito may rules. So, tamang rules dito. Hindi naman sila special kids. And natapos na din ang lahat ng palaro. Ito na yung awarding ceremony. So, first time namin ni Brave na walang nakuhang award. Sa ilang taon kami naglalaro sa SPED Week. Pero it's okay. Importante nag-enjoy si Brave. ito talaga ang ending ng lahat, ang kainan. Thank you for watching, guys!